Good morning, guys. It is your boy Wolf by Joe, and I'm back with another video.
Guys, we thought that was the Ringing Rocks Park up there, but luckily a citizen let us know that is not the park, So yeah,
We're at Ringing Rocks Park. So yeah.
Ringy Rocks. I call it Ring Rocks. You hit them with a hammer and they ring.
Area, it's sick. Look, these rocks ring. I'm not even freaking joking. Like, look. We're gonna show you how they ring. Over here. Okay. What? Yeah, and that's Oh, Rick. Guys, look. Guys, here, look. It's sick. Oh. Oh, this one's good.
They ring!
Oh my gosh. It's like such a big fall. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this shit. Look. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'll meet you back in the next clip. This one looks good. Oh! Guys, oh, look! Look, oh shit. Oh darn it. Oh darn it. Darn it, let me get the thumbnail. Guys. Oh! Here, look. Alright, I'll meet you back in the next clip. I just got the thumbnail. Guys, this is crazy. Let's see this one. Just listen to the different sounds. Look, I'm gonna play a song. Yeah, isn't that crazy? All right. Well, there's George over there. He's vlogging. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna jump from here to there. You think I can make it? I'm gonna huck it. Oh! Whoa. I made it, guys. All right. Oh, this looks like a good one. Oh, darn it. Oh, that's good. This is good. Guys, if you want to come here, it's sick. Just listen to the different noises. Guys, look how far up I am.
Joe, take a thumbnail picture. Zoom in on me.
I'm like crazy far up. Crazy far up. Guys, this is like crazy, look. This one's like really good. Guys, I'm gonna try to get to the end over here. Like where George is. I'm gonna try to get to the very end. And I'll video through the way. Guys, we're almost there. Just gonna ring a couple rocks if you want to hear it again. Oh wait, guys, look at this. Link for this place will be in the description. Hope you guys enjoy. Guys, we're heading towards the waterfall, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys No, it's fine. I hope you guys enjoy because there's a waterfall, and I just showed you. We just went past all the ringing rocks. We actually made it to the end, and now we're hiking to the waterfall. So I'll see you then. Guys, we're almost there. I hear it. Like, look at this. This is where it's coming down.
I have a cramp.
Yeah, and we're almost there. I can literally hear it, the water falling. I don't know if we're allowed to go under, but we'll see when we get there. Guys, I'm trying to climb down. Holy, ow! Guys, I did it. Here's the waterfall, and I'm gonna try to go under it. Guys, oh my gosh. We're here. George, should I jump to there? Guys. We're gonna try to get down here. Yes. Whoa.
Dad, you know what we should do? Climb. Oh, my brother knows the way. Joe.
I am. Guys, this is absolutely crazy. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing.
Mom's ruining our experience.
Guys. We'll meet you at the top. Guys, so we're leaving now and we'll meet back when that's done.
Yeah, boy.
Guys, we're at the top of the waterfall here. Over here. Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we're definitely at the top. And yeah. Guys, we're at the top over here. Here, look. We're at the top. This is the top. Let's hike up here. Hike. What? Okay.
Oh my God.
Joe,
this is scary.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Guys, here. Guys, we're at the top. As you can see.